Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So I'd like to start with the full path of how to enter the proper information with the usage of the settings, and after that I'll show you a much faster way via the secret code. So let's enter the settings. As I said, here let's tap on my phone. And here all we have to do is to tap on model. As you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the serial number of this device. Let me go back and let me show you how to get the same information with the secret code. Let's open the dialer, go to the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with the serial number which appears at the bottom. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.